Hey Kevin, what are you doing?
Well, one of the things that I still struggle with is when I'm working with aluminum, this is all 1/8 inch plate, and I want to tack a small piece onto a bigger piece. And if I don't have like a third hand, if I don't have, some way to jig it up, how do you tack it easily? And something that I found works pretty well for me is I'll just come in here and put a dab of filler in right there off the edge of the joint, right where I want my metal to sit. I'll come in and put a big dab of filler right in there. I'll come over to the other end. I'll put a big dab of filler over there. And then I can just come in with the piece of metal that I want to put in there and rest it right up against those little dabs, and then come in with my torch. So I can hold my metal with one hand, come in with the other torch, come in with the torch in the other hand, and just get a little tack, get a little tack. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. See, now you can get a little tack on there, you get the piece to stay still. Now you can come back and do a proper weld on it and get the job done that way. So I'm going to keep playing here. I'd recommend you guys keep playing in your shop too, and just have fun. Don't forget, hit that little bell up there for the notifications so you know when things change on my channel. I'll see y'all next time. You can see I've just got a little blob here. I've got a little blob right there. Let me get some ice grips.